Oh.
Yeah, because when you pan fry it, the excess water makes it all juicy, right? To see, I make this because I'm like.
So you do a garlic and what? Oh, seasoning. That season, what do you have in there?
If you look in the back,
Okay.
has like celery salt,
Okay.
paprika, I don't
Okay.
know, other spices or something.
Garlic first and that one.
Yeah.
What else you have?
Honestly, you can just use this too.
Do you have a garlic in there or you gotta have garlic separately?
You can use that garlic.
Uh-huh. And that's what's that?
Oregano.
Oregano?
Thái Lan cũng vậy nữa. Dạ.
Okay.
Nó còn động nữa. Dạ, nó còn động nữa, tại vì nó mới động mạnh như sau khi mà động đất xong là mấy ngày sau nó sẽ liên tiếp mấy cái động nhẹ nữa. Nó nói là after chấn động á, after đó.
I have one hand.
Did you do this? Did you do this?
Rồi bây giờ thiên tai nhiều á.
What is that?
Chị thấy nguyên tòa nhà, chị thấy Thái Lan là nguyên cái chùa mà cũng sập luôn á, Thái Lan là nó chỉ bị ảnh hưởng bên bên Miến Điện thôi á, Bangkok cũng vậy, Thái Lan ngay thành phố Bangkok
Now,
Olive oil.
ghê quá.
So much.
Cái đó là tận thế rồi.
I just like to moisturize it into the chicken.
Tận thế tới rồi.
Usually I do it in a bowl, but
well, when you do like this and you, for how long before you can cook?
I do it right away.
You cook right away?
I cook it right away.
Is only one side? You need two sides or just one side?
Yeah, you can do both sides. I like to do both sides.
Okay.
Cho nên nó mới rung vậy chứ.
I like to do both sides.
Okay. So you gotta do again.
You do it again. Preferably, you should all put it all in a bowl
So you can.
and mix it together, so you can do it once, you know.
Yeah.
But I'm just lazy right now.
Okay. Okay. So I know how to do it now.
Thì chị ấy thì rảnh gọi rảnh thì nói chuyện, nhiều khi mà bận không có nói chuyện được thôi thì gọi bữa khác.
More seasoning. Cumin. Oops, that's a lot.
Nhà thì
Cumin. I don't know what cumin is.
I know you never had cumin. It's like it makes it taste like better. I don't know. I like cumin.
May
To make it taste kind of
có chị
smoky.
phụ nó phát đồ vô bao vô thùng vô đồ.
You need to put any salt or anything, or
This one has salt already.
okay.
I like to do salt and pepper after I seared it,
Okay.
so that like you don't want to oversalt the chicken, right?
Okay.
You don't want to accidentally put too much, so that's why I save that stuff for last.
Okay.
And
I
then
agree.
massage it into the chicken. And that's it.
That's it. Okay.
Yeah.
Oil, huh? Was looking good.
Thank you, mommy.
Oh.
Vàng vàng cơm vàng từ đời nào. Rồi mấy cái phút mà con mua dẹp cho má.
Đó đồ ăn của má à.
Đồ ăn của má có nhiêu chưa?
Yeah. Rau cỏ má làm cho có hư.
Ooh.
Keep on dropping things. It's on my sock.
Oh, is that clumsy or you just because I'm watching you?
Oh, I'm clumsy.
Huh?
I'm clumsy. It's my first time doing this, actually.
So I know. How do I know you did it right? Oh, that you just get that
I don't know. I'm just
choose out of it, huh?
I don't know what I'm doing.
Using that one. You take the waters out of it, but you're using this one right here. And what you gonna do about it?
I'm making tzatziki. Yes.
Your cooking, it seems like so much variety. It's make it more. Are you just cooking for? Are you make this sauce for?
I might eat this for breakfast tomorrow too. You know.
For use for other too, not just today, right?
No. That's a lot of cucumber, actually. I'm trying to make this easy. Actually, I might need more.
More cucumber.
No, I need more yogurt.
Do you have that?
It's doughy.
Dairy. Dairy with that.
I don't remember how to make this actually.
Put some salt, pepper.
Some olive oil. You're supposed to have lemon, but I don't have any lemon with me.
There's no lemon. Should be some lemon, right? And the fish. Can I
Look?
look for it?
Yeah, you can look. Maybe a lot
Oh,
of
it's
lemon.
lemon on that. You squeeze, or then you squeeze the lemon in here. Huh? The lemon. Okay. It tastes good.